Alright, so your chop saw not working. Easy fix. Stick around and I will show you how to fix it. Alright, so we have the chop saw, right? And chop saw not working. Right, I did some tests earlier and find out the brushes in the scorn. The brushes in the chop saw are wear down. So I'll be changing the brushes in the chop saw. So I'll show you how it's not working. Right, so right, so no power. So check for continuity. Right, so you're checking for continuity, and then you pull the trigger. Right, no reading. Right, so I say, like I said earlier, the brushes in this had to change, so I'll be showing you how to change the brushes. Right, so this is the new one, carbon brushes. Right, first thing, you have to so you have this part. It has this part to remove. You need a flathead screwdriver to remove this part. And then the brushes will be inside in the holder. So you need something like a bird beak to pull it out. Alright, so this is the old brushes. As you can see, it wear down, and normally in this end so it's a spring with the wire, like how this one is. Right, so this one has the spring with the wire, and this one don't have it. So now the problem is now with the spring and the wire, it just push the brushes towards the commutator to get contact, and this one is spring and wire, so it will not get contact. Like how this one have the spring and wire, so it will push against the commutator to get contact. Right, so you make sure you push it in and make sure it's free. Alright, so you hold on there. You hold on in tension. Alright, so this will be really tricky. Now you see this part. Right, this part, it have a part inside where this had to go in to fit. Right, so make sure I line up properly. Otherwise it won't screw up. Right, so that's it. Right, so I one end. Now the other end. So you do the other end the same way. Remove this screw on cover. Remove the old brushes. Alright, so this one is like a stick inside. So you need something like a hook. And pull it. Alright, so this one, the wire is it burn out and the spring missing. So the rest is aside. Put on this one. Now you want to make sure it free, the brushes. You don't want to be jamming or stick inside. It must be free to work. So check to see it free. After a while, when you keep on using the chop saw, after using over and over, the brushes, carbon brushes will wear down. So eventually, after a while, you have to change them. Probably once a year, probably once every 2 years, depends on how often you use the machine. Alright, so that is about it. We will test for continuity. Alright, and then pull the trigger. Right, so again I reading. So the brushes was the problem. And now to check to make sure that it's working. Again I read them to make sure it's working. We'll plug it on and see. So alright, so let's test it out. Alright, so there you have it. Now you know how to change our brushes on a chop saw. Quick and easy way. Right, so whenever your chop saw getting problem, chances are it could be the cord, it could be the brushes, it could be the switch, right? It could be switch up here. It could be the armature. It could be a lot of things. So in order for you to know what exactly the problem you have to run tests. Alright, so thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, leave a comments below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.